Hi guys, Levin here. Today I'm going to show you how to complete the adult quest chain to become an adult character. For this, your character has to be a minimum level 30. Hope you have reached that. To begin with the adult quest, you should first locate an item which is present in an item box level 25 or 26. You can find this in the Corin Forest map in the entrance on your way doing your level 20 quest. Destroy this box and you will get an item like this. This is Corin Tribe's spell. This is the item that you need to start your adult quest. Once you have that item with you, right click that item and it will start the quest chain. It will ask you to go towards the Elder's Shelter. The quest will bring you to this NPC, Hada, present at the Elder's Residence near the Corin's Tower. Hand in the quest. And take the following quest. Don't confuse with the other quests. Take up what he is giving as a follow-up to the same quest. So he has given the quest and the quest says solve Azi's problem, then take the Korean tribe spell to Corin. So we have to meet Corin, but before meeting Corin, we have to finish the quest that is given by Azi, A-I-Z-I-Z. He is standing right here. So if you take quest from him, so you take the quest which will take you to the city gateway that is present towards the right side, right corner of this Corin Forest map. So Azi's quest will now bring you to Velmer. She will give you a following quest. Take only the follow-up quest and don't pick up other quests as that are not related to the adult quest chain. And it will ask you to kill 10 wild boar which are right next to this area, so you don't have to run far. You have to kill these wild boar to complete this stage. After you're done killing 10 boars, hand in the quest to Velmer. Take up only the following quest. Do not take any additional quest from her. Now she will ask you to move to the northern part of this Corin Forest. If you follow the quest direction, you will meet the NPC Gila, who will give you another quest. He will ask you to go to the Corin Tower and meet another NPC. If you follow the quest track, you will end up meeting Sheila, who is the gatekeeper of the Corin Tower. So you interact with her. Now that finishes the prayer stage. So now if you interact with gatekeeper, she will allow you to go to the Corin Tower on the top. If you just click head to Corin Tower, she will take you to the Corin Tower to meet Corin. Now the first quest that you got, now you have to give that to Corin. He will again give you a follow-up quest which you can take. So this is when you will be able to choose your masterclass as well. So you have to be really careful. You should already make up your mind which class you're going to choose, the subclass. Now you will, if you complete this mission, you will get XP, a little bit of Zenny. The main thing is you will grow up into an adult, and the second is you will get an HTB skill, which is unique to this particular class that you already have. You accept, and A little bit about this quest is that you have to fight Corin. Before that, you use all your buff and charge up your RP, because Corin is going to be a little difficult to kill if you're not having the proper gears. When you accepted this quest, Corin would have given you this item in your inventory. So once you right click that item, you will start seeing the holographic ghost kind of Corins appearing next to him. You have to fight him, and if I'm correct, there will be 4 to 6 of him that appear. So, as I said, 4 holographic or ghostly Corins have appeared, and I have defeated them. So now, if you hand in the quest to Corin, he will give you the reward and you will grow up. Yahoo! Now you have become an adult and you got the HTV skill as well. So he is having another quest which basically lets you choose your subclass. In this case, I have to choose between Plasma Magin and Karma Magin, and I'm going to go with Plasma Magin. So you first accept the quest. Hi. Then he gives you an option to learn about the class, but I already know about this, so I'm ready to decide. So depending on which class you want to choose, you can interact with the respective items. Here I'm going to choose Plasma Magin, so I'm going to interact with the drum. So once this is decided, then you cannot change it later, so make sure you're correct on choosing this particular class, master class. So now you get the reward for it. Now your master class is confirmed, but you cannot use the master class skills yet. To fully activate your master class or to fully become the Plasma Magin, I would have gotten another quest item from Corin. I used to use this item, which will give me another quest in a different map. Hi. So once you have received this item and once you have activated it, you can leave the Corin Tower. Right now we don't have any work here. You have to go and finish this quest. So just enter through this. For each masterclass, you will have the quest directing you to different maps. In this case, the Namekian beginners map. I have to go there to finish my quest. That quest led me to him. So I hand in the quest to him. And further, he will give me additional quests. First, he will give me a quest where I get a drum as an item. That quest leads me to the city elder in the Namekian map. Now I have to go back to him. And this is not complete yet. He's gonna give me one more task. That's a final task, which will give me the Plasma Magin's mastery. Hi. That brings me to this map, where I have to fight this enemy. For different classes there will be different enemies, but for me there is a drum. There is a mob that is just a drum that I have to kill to complete this mission. I killed it, and that finishes the mission. Now I hand in that quest again. Now he gives me the mastery. And now I can use the masterclass skill, and also I can equip masterclass weapon, which is a drum. This finishes the adult quest chain, and I have become an adult and I have got the master skill. This differs slightly for different class and for different race, but however, beating Corrin and getting the tasks are all going to be the same. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.